Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I got this beautiful package from this young lady on Instagram. Her name is Shannon. She's the owner of Creative Claws. She sells beautiful acrylic powders, and she started with glitters, and now she's shipped over to these wonderful colors. The first one she sent me is Hydra, and it's a bluish greenish glitter acrylic powder mix. It's so gorgeous and amazing, and as you can see, these containers are packed to the top, so when you get her products you don't have to worry about anything not weighing what it's supposed to weigh. So I really appreciate that. The next color we'll be looking at is called Think Pink, and as you can see, all the specs, all the products that are in the powder is listed on the container, and this is how it looks. I think it is a beautiful color. I am gonna lose my mind having so much fun creating stuff with these. And the last but not least one is called Opal. The Opal, I really saw this one at first, and that's the one that I got to, thinking I should reach out to her and see if, I could have a sample of these products. So here goes. This is the green one. It's called Hydra. It's more greenish looking on camera, but it's more blue in real life. So I think it's so pretty, and they go on so nice and creamy. And I didn't want to, because sometimes when you use acrylic with any additives like glitters or whatever, and you dip too hard in them, you get a big ball, a really large bead. So I was trying to take my time and do this in a really timely manner, because I really didn't want to ruin my container. Excuse me. Yes, I didn't want to ruin my container, as I'm going to show you, because the same thing that I was trying to prevent happened to me anyways. So here I go. That's the first one. I just wanted you to take a better look, because I'm not sure that it was in frame, but it was. This is what I'm talking about. That right there, that booger right there, that is a big waste of my product. I am so upset with myself, but that's what I'm telling you, that you take your time, you take small little beads and you work it on the nail, and you will not be wasting your products. You just take your time and just barely tip a little bit off the top, and it'll pick stuff up. But because of the chunks, if a big bead falls in, if your brush is too wet and it falls in there, you're losing a lot of your product. So don't do like me, be smarter, not more wasteful. I've lost so many things from spills, I can't tell you. Okay, so now we're trying out the pink one as well, and I saved that bead. Yes, I did. I was like, not again. I'm not doing this again. But this product is so smooth. It's the best one yet. It just came up. I put it on the nail, and it formed itself. Look how beautiful that shape is. It's so nice. I love this one. This is my favorite. This is my favorite one. I'm gonna have to order this one for myself, because it was so nice going on. It's so smooth and silky, and it covers the entire nail. It's full coverage. It's such a gorgeous color. Look how gorgeous they are. I am really excited. Thank you so much, Shannon. I hope I'm saying your name right. I'm terrible with names. If you are watching this video and that's not your name, you can go ahead and say that's not my name in the comment, and I will be like, I'm so sorry. I will put her name in the description, and I will put the link to her website also in the description. It is on Instagram. You can go ahead and follow her page, and while you're over there, go ahead and follow my page as well, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell as well. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate these colors because I know even though they're acrylic powders, they still have to be encapsulated. So I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate them in crystal clear. And the clear I'm using today is from the Mia Secret line. I like using Mia Secret products. They're very affordable and they're easy to use for beginners, intermediates, and for professionals. So no matter what level you are as a nail tech, these products that I'm using today are good for you as well as for me, and the prices are not bad. They're very competitive. You can find Mia Secret products on eBay, on Amazon, on a lot of private sites. It's just everywhere. Mia Secret is the best. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish perfecting these shapes since I went on and on about Mia Secret. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be Shannon's video. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and perfect the shapes off camera and I will be back with the finished product to show you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and close up my products because I have a very clumsy body and I will spill these and I'm not trying to, have any kind of mess. Hi guys, so I'm back. It's been a couple of days and I went ahead and did my nails because I really love the glitters so much. And the video will be up this Tuesday at 6 a.m. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put the Model One's top coat on to show you how beautiful these colors turn out. I took the color of this one today, so it's not shiny like the rest. So I'm going to put some on that one as well. But here goes. You guys can see how beautiful these are going to come to life. They're just going to pop to life. Like, excuse you? Look at that. OMG. I know people don't like to do this, but I like to go underneath as well because I think it brings it up a little bit brighter. I think it brings it out a little bit more. So I like to do the underside and under as well as, you know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the light. And go ahead and do this one. And I'm telling you, you're just positively fabulous. Like, extremely fabulous. This is my favorite. I love the pink. I love the pink. I love the pink. I love the pink one. Yes, it's my favorite one. Yes, guys, it is my favorite. Isn't it positively fabulous? Now look at that beauty. Okay? All right. I'm going to put that in the light and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, guys, here is Think Pink. It's the pink one. It's so pretty. This one is the clear one. It's called Opal. And the last but not least one is called Hydra. It looks like green and bluish under the sea kind of color. And here is it in a set. That's the pink one. And this is Hydra, the blue one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching.